Hello everyone. So today I will be discussing my topic about in biotechnology, the issues in biotechnology in gene therapy. So before I proceed, my topic about the gene therapy is anyone of us has been own idea what is gene therapy. Kay gabalik-balik na siya sa atong last discussion last sem sa atong subject nga Science and Technology Society. So, ang gene therapy is not just by treating the human diseases like cancer and leukemia or other parts of diseases in the human body, but also gene therapy can treat the crops like corn, the rice, the wheat, or other, even the cacao can treat the gene therapy, the disease of the cacao, and also to the other crops that can export to the other country. So, in my discussion today, is not just by only the gene therapy can treat our crops, but also there are some issues that we need to tackle today about the gene therapy. So, introduction. So, gene therapy involves modifying plants' genetic to improve crop resilience and yield. It utilizes techniques like CRISPR-Cas9 to insert, delete, or modifying DNA within plants. This advancement allow for rapid improvements in traits such as resistance to pests, diseases, and environmental stresses. So, inana gyud ka importante ang gene therapy once mogamit ta ana sa usa ka crop. Kay nganuman, gene therapy is gina-improve niya ang usa ka tanom nga naay sakit. So for example, that our corn that nagkasakit siya og downy mildew or the Ruffalophilomyces, pwede niya matambalan og dili na kana magsigig balik-balik ang sakit sa usa ka tanom. And also, that gene therapy is dili na ta pwede maggamit og other chemicals kay naa na dira tanan ang nutrients nga iyang itambal sa usa ka tanom, and also that it is a resistance to pest diseases and environmental stresses. So for example, that our corn is nagka-aphids siya. So for example, ang atong corn is nagka-aphids siya tapos dili na gyud siya madala og mga synthetic chemicals. That gene therapy can protect our crops against insects and diseases. So inaana ka importante ang gene therapy once mogamit ta ana sa usa ka tanom, like corn. So additionally, gene therapy can enhance nutritional value, offering potential solutions to global food security. An example includes genetically modified rice varieties that enhance vitamin A level, supporting public health initiatives. So now, we will proceed to the transitioning to core issues and application. The benefits versus challenges of gene therapy. So the benefits is to enhance crop yields, improve resistance to disease. So another example into the rice field. So the common insect pest of the rice fields is the brown plant hopper or the Nila parvata logens. So once that certain insect na dili siya matambalan sa atong rice, that may cause a rice tongro. Yes, magka-rice tongro ang atong rice fields once dili matambalan ang brown plant hopper. So in that way that kung maggamit ang farmers kung maka-afford siya og gene therapy, kato nga certain diseases of the rice pwede matambalan. Okay? And also the challenges, the ethical concerns, regulatory hurdles. So as said as earlier that we need tackled the important that I need to tackle today is the ethical concerns and regulatory hurdles because that is essential to tackle about in gene therapy. Now we will proceed to the key aspects of gene therapy in agriculture. So the biological processes, gene editing techniques lead to precise changes. The regulatory frameworks, stricter regulations can stifle innovation. The economic factors that can cause implications for farmers while benefiting crop production. So, principles of gene therapy implementation. So the following principles guide the effective implementation of gene therapy in agriculture. So first is the regulatory compliance is essential. So once that certain person nga mag-innovate siya about the gene therapy, so dapat nga kompleto ang iyang mga requirements na dapat na siya ipakita nga or prove man lang nga that certain gene therapy are safe siya sa atong tanom, especially pod sa atong environment. Second is the ethical considerations must be addressed. The third one is the public education to counter misinformation. So for example, that certain person nga gusto siya maggamit og gene therapy must be pwede siya mag-apil og seminar about the gene therapy to be able to madungagan ang iyang idea o dili siya maka-encounter og mga fake info. The fourth one is to develop flexible policies for innovation and encourage global collaboration among research. So there are the visual case study of BT Cotton's success. So BT Cotton serves as a successful example of gene therapy. A modified to express a bacterium gene, it provides pest resistance, significantly reducing pesticides use. So inana ka-power si gene therapy that dili na ta makagamit or makaless ta gamit og mga pesticides or other mga pharma nga pwede na to itambal sa atong tanom kay naa na ang gene therapy. Since its introduction, farmers have seen dramatic yields improvements, leading to higher profits and sustainability in cotton farm. Addressing the ethical debate. Gene therapy raises significant ethical debates in agricultural biotechnology relating to gene modification. Critics argue about potential risks including ecosystem impacts and loss of the biodiversity. So, if the gene therapy nga naa siya positive impact sa atong crops to provide food security of many people in the world, nagyapon siya negative impact sa atong ecosystem, such as the loss of biodiversity. That dako siyang impact para sa atong ecosystem and also the living organisms nga nagpuyo sa that certain community. That one of the problem today about the gene therapy nga ginadebate pa siya kay tungod ana nga mga impacts or negative impact para sa atong environments and also to our living organisms sa atong komunidad or even into the entire worldwide. Supporters encountered that rigorous testing ensures safety and fosters sustainability. Public perception plays a crucial role as acceptance fluctuates based on awareness and understanding. Thus, transparent dialogues are essential for informed decision. So, that rigorous testing ensures nga safety ang gene therapy and fosters sustainability. Importance of regulatory approvals. The regulatory approvals for gene therapy projects vary by region, affecting the speed of innovation in the US. OSDA regulates plants while FDA oversees food safety. This dual structure may lead to inconsistencies affecting the researchers and farmers. So, dapat na ang gene therapy is approved siya. Regulations often witness more rapid advancements in agricultural gene therapy. Understanding these frameworks in a vital for stakeholders aiming to navigate regulatory landscapes effectively. So, inana ka kuan ang gene therapy. So, key challenges in adoption. Despite the advantages, adoption of gene therapy faces challenges, particularly in developing countries. Farmers may lack access to technology and seeds can be prohibitively expensive. So, expensive jud ang gene therapy. And I think some of farmers here in the Philippines can't provide gene therapy kay tungod mahal. Yes, mahal ang gene therapy. Kapares ra na siya sa usa ka tawo. For example, that certain person nga magpa-gene therapy kay tungod na ay cancer is mahal. Maong ginadebate siya is nganong mahal ang gene therapy pero dili kadali maayo. Ina na bitaw nga certain scenarios sa usa ka gene therapy about the human diseases. Finally, cultural resistance and fears of unknown consequences may impede acceptance. Addressing these challenges requires targeted education, funding, and collaborative research initiatives to develop affordable solutions, ensuring broader access. The future of gene therapy in agriculture indicates a trend toward more sustainable practices. We anticipate advancements in gene editing technologies alongside growing global demand for climate-resilient crops. Summary of key insights: gene therapy holds promise for addressing cultural challenges and enhancing yields. Ethical and regulatory considerations are paramount for acceptance. Stakeholders must balance benefits and public concerns. Biotechnology offers solutions to both agricultural and nutritional challenges, but ethical and regulatory frameworks must evolve. to keep peace and any vision. Thank you for your attention. Explore the future of agricultural biotechnology and its potential in fostering sustainable food system. Bye bye.